Abusua abrabo ye bui ni nyina so ye mra ye di so ana mra ye bu so. Obrabo a wo bui wa wade e usika sem adwumam wapomodin nyina so eye obra mra wo di so ana mra wo sei a utuna jeje mu. We na mede ma akwa aba Adom TV. Dwumade we ye Nkuranhyesem. Ma me na ase e me ya osomfo Apostle Nita Kutego. Wonim me do be kam mransem bi a e wo sunsum a yedi so a e kanya ya redie ene abrabom. The third law of life is a law of expectation. My main counsel said there's no success or failure in life. We get what we program for. We get what we program to get. There's nothing like failure or success. Life gives you what you expect. Abrabo unyani wenda so. Success and failure are verbal propositions and evaluations that follow what you expect. Also anapa then wenda so. Wenda so ena kire bebe abrabo ebeko. Obo so anapa ye mi kokrum ene so ye be wenda so na be kenya wo. Whether you realize it or not, you program your life outcomes by what you expect to happen. The end of no ebem. Bibia mo abrabo mu kwa. Papa mu oboni mu when da so e na ebem. Owade mu. Osikasem mu. Abrabo mu. Wadwuma mu. Empodi abe bia no nyina so ye nda so. Me na so ne se medin kunim. Mena so nse meda wodo de akire obiara. Mena so nse medi nokure na menya nokure so mfaso. Enti meni won so se a ena medi akire eyo. Onipa wenda so ekenya o. Part of success is just plain luck. Enkunimdie enyina so efiri obi. But a big part of success depends on your intentions and expectations. Betia ba se bia utibe yie e wa brabom. Nanso so abrabo nyina so titiri na agina utime po ene onda so eso. And I can say it may be that success may depend on some luck, but much to a large extent, success depends on your intentions and your expectations. The clarity of your intention and the strength of your expectations come together to focus your attention and your energy on the results you get. The clarity of your intention. So what dream you edaho fine or and the strength of your expectation. So that's one do. They come together to focus your attention and a Kenyan and your energy to create the results you have in life. So why eboy Susan so free obi wabompaye ane wa free Nyankopon but dia ne wonsusuye ne oni da so wona so ye gidie ananda so ye abeguro wona so ye nokure ananda so ye ntro wona so ye pepepeyo wona so gina wodoso ne anda so no ena wotanya enda so eye aduaba. Your energy flows from where your attention goes. Your life energies flows where your energy goes. In other words, your life energy depends on your expectations. When you expect bad, you get bad. When you expect good results, you actually are simulated to create good results. Whatever your expectations, you follow it. And until abrabo ayeboy, mo obi odin kugu a and that's all. Expect good things in your life. Expect progress. Expect growth. And your life will follow your expectations. Now the morning nani yeso. Ne oni nani edimo so. Morning na de ebeko yeso. Na se de tibia no wababo ebedi nia wanda so no so. Kura no ma men kan kira wo se onipa to make a good dream come true, you must first have a great dream. ansa na wo dae so bɛbɛ mu no egyina dae so na dae so ɛyɛ nea wani da so egyina so ne da yimi srɛ sɛ abiri bia osɔde a pɛnda so a ne nyina so ɛyɛ enkenya ɛnsempa ɛyɛ nigye ɛyɛ nkuranhyɛ ɛyɛ wɔdɔ ɛyɛ kwan papa so na kwality bia no ne nda so no bɛbɛ mama wo no obi a ne da kro no so akwai papa da wanda so na bɛma wo ma menya ha na memfa nkra nkɔma adom tv adwumafo nyinara na me ndɔ na ase sɛ ɔsɔ masene na me dwumadi ɛba wo nkyɛn dwumadi a aka no di akyiri tinyi wa fidie ne mfiri ha ɛyɛ badwam dwumadi we na ma menkyerɛ wo sɛ wanda so enyina yie wɔ kwampa so no nyame nhyira wanda so wo no nyame ɛntena